Hi everyone, Robert here from photographyandvideotips.com. Welcome to this tutorial which will focus on how to edit one of your own photos in iPhoto, a free standard software which comes with any Mac. Now, in particular, we are going to focus on how to add contrast on your photo, both negatively and positively, and how this affects your photo as a visual outcome. I'm assuming you all know how to import your photos into the program iPhoto, though if not, then please visit my other tutorial, how to import your photos into iPhoto. So, getting started, if you would all like to open up iPhoto itself, and from there, locate the photo you wish to edit. It could be in the events, or even last import if you followed my last tutorial, how to import your photos into iPhoto. Though if you still can't find it, then please use the search function at the bottom left corner of iPhoto to locate your photo. Once you select the photo you wish to edit, you will notice that a yellow border highlights the thumbnail of the image, and from there you just need to go to the bottom tool selection of iPhoto, such as Info, Edit, Create, Add to and Share, but in particular, as we are going to be editing the image, if you'd like to click the Edit button as so. Now, as you can see, your image is maximized, and another sidebar has appeared on the right hand side which contains a selection of tools all there to help enhance your photo further. In particular, we will be focusing on the contrast button and slider. Now, contrast basically defines light and dark tones aside from each other. So, for instance, as you can see, it's pretty dark in the background of this photo and the parrot's quite light. So if you went into positive contrast, it would darken down the background and help the parrot stand out more as a visual outcome. Though if you put it into negative contrast, it would probably make it sort of too light. The beak would become light and the background would become too light for it to be a nice outcome. Though it would work well, particularly if your image was quite dark to start off with, it could brighten it and make it visually more better as an outcome. I will just show you quickly if I go into positive contrast how it looks in my instance. So as we go up to positive 100, you will notice, as I stated, the background will go much darker, and even the beak, as that was also a dark tone. But as you can notice, we've lost some definition around the beak because it's right up at the max. So it's just a case in your instance and mine of tweaking it until we get the right balance. I'd say about 56 right there looks well. As you can now see, the definition of the beak and the background still is darker than it was originally, so it helps the parrot stand out that bit more. Now, like I say, if it wouldn't work too well with this image because everything's now, as you can see, went really bright, and it's just not the way I would like it to look. But like I said before, if you have a really dark photo, this could maybe work that bit more, as it would brighten it up more and possibly give more detail than what it was originally. So just to show you how the original looks and how negative contrast looks against it, as you can see, the negative contrast doesn't work that well in my example of the parrot, as the parrot was already light and it didn't need to be even any brighter than what it originally was from this original photo. Though if we go to all the way up to 56, which I had it before, and again show you it against the original, you can see that the edited version on the right hand side is much more effective now, as the parrot stands out that bit more against the darker background than what it does in the original with the lighter background. So essentially that's it, how contrast works in iPhoto and how it affects your outcomes both negatively and positively by adding contrast. I hope this was simple and easy to understand, and I look forward to bringing you more tutorials in the future. Thanks everyone for watching.